An onion attacks your eyes to stop you from eating it, not because of sadness. You feel a burning sting in your eye the instant you chop through that layered vegetable. You assume the vegetable feels pain or releases a tear gas weapon for revenge. A clean kitchen knife breaks cell walls inside the vegetable, releasing invisible gas into your air. Your tear glands react to this gas because your eyes cannot digest these chemical proteins. Step 1. The sulfur gas floats through the air and hits your moist eye surface instantly. Step 2. Your lacrimal glands flood your eye with saline tears to neutralize the chemical burn. Your eyes cry because they are flushing out a defense mechanism protecting your food source. Next time you cry over an onion, remember your body is simply protecting its dinner plate.